And welcome back, netizen, to this particular series of tutorial. I'm Secret Dalabimwet, and I'm doing this tutorial for netizen. In this particular tutorial, we are going to be continue with our previous tutorial. This is actually our 5th tutorial on practical application of C language, and here we are on this series of bash scripting. So actually, if you haven't watched our previous tutorial, follow it step by step. It's going to actually help you in understanding what you are going to do in future. If you don't follow it up, but if actually you know about bash scripting, that's very cool. You can just drop this tutorial and move to the next section of tutorial when we are going to apply C language and bash scripting at the same time. Okay, let's just go to what we have to do. What we have to do, we are going to talk about how you can get user input, and let's just create a new file and say user input .bit. Okay, user input .bit. I think here we have it. Let's just write some code to display our user input. First of all, our normal echo, then title, we see user input, then let's give a user a command and say echo enter pro to visit the programming course. Okay, and on the second we say enter mak to visit I think we omitted something here, which is course, and enter equal enter. Okay, let's just come here and set up our input. Set /p. First of all, pro, we give it equal to this. Actually, we set p, we create our input and put it in a variable called pro. And also let's come and see if. Actually, I haven't stopped on if, but actually we are going to learn about if concerning if here. Let's just name this thing course, meaning course. If course equal pro. Sorry, I'm very slow in typing. Go to my pro. If cus equal tech, go to my tech. Okay, actually we have defined our if statement. Let's come here and define all our marker. The first marker say my pro, and we are going to say start chrome.x https my programming course, sorry, netizen.com /programming course. Let's just come and copy out this thing. Actually, we are going to say pause and exit, pause, exit. Let's just come and copy this thing so that we won't repeat many things, and paste, paste. Come here and see if is my marker, then go to marketing course, and if is tech, my tech, go to what? Tech course. Okay, then we save this thing and see what is going to happen. Come here, say user input, this is it. Our user sees what? Enter Pro. Let's just enter Pro, click enter. Automatically it's going to take us to a programming course. Let's press other ones. Actually, if you look at this thing, when we press other ones, is going to take us actually back. I mean, it's going to cancel our program. Can we not come here and create a particular marker which says start program, and in this thing we are going to come down and declare this marker here, which is going to be start program. Go to start program. Okay, this is what we have now, and as each pause, after each pause, I want us to run this particular program instead of exiting. Okay, let's just come here and see this. Okay, Pro. It's taking us to a programming tutorial. Let's come again and write MAK. Sorry, what is it saying? Say continue. It has taken us to our marketing. Let's come and write tech. It has taken us to our tech course. So this is actually the basic of what? Marker, and also the basic of, we talked about marker and we also apply marker in creating a program using a user input. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I want you to just go down to that video now you are watching now, and actually click on that subscription button and click on the notification bell, so that every video we upload you're going to be receiving the notification. And don't forget to like video, comment if you have any confusion. We are here to attend to you and clear to you to your confusion. Thank you.